Hello everyone, today we will study about cryptography concept. So let's see. So cryptography refers to the science and art of transforming a plain text information to a ciphertext information so that nobody except the authorized party can access it or can understand it. So types of cryptography. Cryptography is of two types. One is symmetric cryptography, another is asymmetric cryptography. So symmetric and asymmetric cryptography are fundamental concepts through which we can convert the plain text into ciphertext and we can make the message secure before it is transformed from one system to another system. So symmetric cryptography, so shared key usage, key establishment, examples and key distribution. The four parts I have divided it into. The shared key usage means symmetric key. The same key is used for both encryption and decryption at the sender side and also at the receiver side. So next, key establishment. For key establishment, an asymmetric key encryption technique is used to share the key among the different systems. Next, examples. So popular examples of symmetric key are AES and DES. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard and the DES stands for Data Encryption Standard. And key distribution in symmetric key cryptography is challenging. Okay. So next, we will move to asymmetric key cryptography. Asymmetric key cryptography, we have two different keys. One is public key and another is private key. So public key is used for encryption and private key is used for decryption. So public key of the receiver is used for encryption by the sender and the private key of the receiver is used to decrypt the same message. Next, key quantity. It requires 2n number of different keys to connect n number of devices. Then security. Asymmetric key encryption technique is more secure as compared to symmetric key encryption technique. Examples include RSA algorithm and Diffie-Hellman key exchange method. So symmetric versus asymmetric key, the differences. So here a single key is used for both encryption and decryption, but in asymmetric cryptography, one key is used for encryption and another key is used for decryption. The public key of the receiver is used for encryption and the private key of the receiver is used for decryption. Next, here n into n minus 1 by 2 number of keys are required to connect n number of systems, and in asymmetric cryptography 2 number of keys are required, 2n number of keys are required to connect n number of devices. So key distribution is difficult here, but here each system has 2 keys, so it is easy. So this is faster as compared to the asymmetric cryptography, and asymmetric cryptography is slower as compared to symmetric cryptography. So this is less secure, this is more secure. Examples include Advanced Encryption Standard, Data Encryption Standard, here RSA algorithm, Diffie-Hellman key exchange method. So key pair generation. So public key usage, the public key of the receiver is used for encryption and the private key of the receiver is used for decryption and data protection. And secure communication, asymmetric cryptography ensures secure communication between multiple devices. So cryptography applications, the key cryptography applications include secure transactions, access control, authentication. So secure transaction include, it is used to secure data transfer and financial transactions. And access control means it is applied to manage and maintain access control in secure systems. And next, authentication, it is utilized for secure user authentication and identity validation. Thank you.